been a while since it's been leveled, so we're going to go ahead and level it all first. Don't know what I was thinking, but I decided to do some mortises in this post, and I don't have a wood chisel, so we're going to make do with hole saw and setting the depth with a piece of blue tape. Remove as much of the wood as possible, and then happen to have a putty knife with a striking cap on it, so we'll use that for a chisel to clean everything out. And I took the pilot out because I've already drilled into this a little ways, so I don't have a drill hole down through the bottom. And the wood's real wet, so it gums up. Okay, we're going to use pocket screws to put this together with, and we're using these heavy-duty screws that are used for 2x lumber. They're 2.5 inches long, and you want to be sure you use those if you're using wood thicker than 3/4 of an inch. Anyway, it's got the jig on here. That leaves these nicely positioned pockets for the screws. And then they just go in like that. We'll see if this thing fits together. Nice and tight. One of the wonderful things about working with fresh cut wet lumber is that this only weighs like 60 pounds. And Debbie's going to put on the finishing touches. This is just rough cut as it came out of the sawmill, so it still has all the blade marks on it and everything. I don't see any point in really finishing off anything else. It looks okay the way it is. As you can see, we just left the live edge on here, and it's got a beautiful staining in it already, so it should look pretty nice. It's all wet wood, so we're gonna have to let it dry before we can put any kind of finish on it, and hopefully it doesn't change shape too much. Then one of the last things to do is put some mounting holes in it for the screws that hold it on to the bed frame. Okay, Debbie's gonna do the final fastening of the headboard to the bed frame. And okay, and there's what it looks like in place, bolted onto the bed. And straight from our tree to sawmill to furniture. Nothing fancy, but it'll get the job done. Thanks for watching, and thank you very much for subscribing. There's a lot more to come.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, phooey.
Can't say phooey on camera.